The Lodge, the Crock-Pot Artisan, or the Marquette castings? Perhaps the Victoria or the Amazon Basics Dutch oven? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 Dutch ovens available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Dutch ovens. The 5th product on this list is the Victoria Dutch Oven. Looking for a nutritious and adaptable cooking option? Look no further than this unit. It's a cast iron pot that has been seasoned with 100% non-GMO flaxseed oil, making it a healthy and environmentally friendly option. Furthermore, the cast iron material releases trace amounts of iron into your food, which provides some nutritional benefits. Cast iron pots are also excellent for cooking delicious meals because they distribute heat evenly. This Dutch oven is ideal for any kitchen or camping need, as it has a variety of cooking options. You'll love that it is just the right size and designed for all your cooking needs. This Dutch oven is great for bread, but can also be used for a variety of cooking purposes, from the oven to induction stovetops to campfire grills and keeping up with your hectic schedule. This kitchen staple can go wherever you need it most. This heavy-duty black iron Dutch oven has a 4-quart capacity and is built to last for generations, with its tight-fitting lid that locks in flavors and moisture. Moreover, the dual handles are large enough for any sized hands to improve usability. On top of that, the pot's modern rustic design makes it ideal for serving. Its pros are, it comes with a perfectly textured pre-seasoned oil layer that helps build seasoning with each use. It's durable enough to last for a long time, and it is made with natural materials and can be used almost anywhere. However, the underside of this Dutch oven's lid is hard to clean. The Victoria Dutch oven is a good quality item perfect for anyone's kitchen or even campfire. Up next in 4th place is the Marquette Castings Dutch Oven. This is an enameled cast iron Dutch oven with all of the features we like for baking bread: a metal knob that won't be bothered by oven heat, a wide flat bottom for good crust, and the ability to withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees. With all that, it still has an affordable price tag that leaves you some money to pay for fancy flowers, add-ins, and tasty toppings. Of course, an excellent Dutch oven can be used for a variety of tasks other than baking bread. It has a large cooking surface that allows you to sear chicken without it sticking. You can also use it for cooking rice, and you can expect it to come out perfectly without sticking or scorching. The white interior allows you to monitor the browning process easily and see the fond or caramelized brown bits form in the bottom of the pot. It's also very durable, so you'll be able to use it for many years to come. What's more, it has a light-colored high-gloss interior that is simple to clean and maintain. This Dutch oven has extra large loop handles for a secure grip, even when wearing your favorite oven mitts. A carrying bag is available separately, making it simple to transport a hot pot straight from the oven to a potluck or party. Its pros are, it has a large diameter of 10 5/8 inches, so you have all the space you need to create meals of all sizes. It features a heavy-duty lid with an optimized fit to allow for a precise amount of evaporation, and it's one of the lightest 6-quart Dutch ovens available at 13.8 pounds. However, the lid handle has some sharp edges you need to be aware of. The Marquette Castings Dutch Oven is an excellent product that is perfect for preparing meals for large occasions. Still haven't found a Dutch oven that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is Amazon Basics Dutch Oven. This Dutch oven is made of heavy-duty cast iron and has a porcelain enamel coating. As with other cast iron cookware, this amazing kitchen tool will heat evenly because it has a thick bottom and thick walls. On the side, you'll see wide loop handles that give you a good grip and make it easy to carry. They are also big enough that thick oven mitts will fit over them so that you won't get burned. The heavy lid stays in place while cooking to keep in the heat, moisture, and rich flavors. This model comes in blue and red, as well as in 3 different sizes: 4.5 quarts, 6 quarts, and 7 quarts for people who want a bigger oven. With this Dutch oven, you'll have delicious, healthy food on the table in no time. The enamel finish won't react with food, so you can marinate, cook, and store food in this Dutch oven. You'll be able to bake, braise, roast, boil, and do much more in the kitchen. You'll also be able to make all of your favorite foods like oats, beans, roasts, soups, stews, chilies, and desserts. This beautiful multi-purpose cookware goes from the fridge to the stovetop or even the table, so you can cook, serve, and clean up with just one dish. Its pros are, it has multiple colors and sizes available, It's oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes with an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. However, it's not dishwasher safe. The Amazon Basics Dutch oven is an affordable kitchen tool that's perfect for both conventional and stovetop cooking. The second product on this list is the Crock-Pot Artisan. Another good choice on a budget is this 5-quart crock-pot, which does much more than its price would indicate. The oven is made of cast iron, which gives it weight and keeps it from moving on the stovetop. It also helps heat spread and stays in the oven evenly. Because of how the lid is made, condensation can collect and spread itself over whatever is cooking, keeping it from drying out. The large handles also make it easy to grab with pot holders, and the whole unit can go in an oven up to 500 degrees. This Dutch oven promises to brown chicken thighs evenly and consistently with a nice crust, although it has a fairly small cooking surface, which isn't a big deal if you don't mind browning in batches. Rice will not stick or burn when it is left to simmer and steam, and all liquid is absorbed. We also like that this cast iron cookware spreads and keeps heat evenly. Slow cooking soups, stews, sauces, bread, and other foods have been done with the cast iron for hundreds of years. On top of that, you can broil, bake, or roast in this Dutch oven. The best way to take care of it is to use wooden, silicone, or nylon tools instead of metal ones, since metal can scratch. On top of all these features, your Crock-Pot Dutch oven's beautiful enamel finish also makes it easy to clean and a very versatile product for any kitchen. Its pros are: it can be used on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. It is porcelain enamel coated, so it is resistant to sticking and easy to clean, and it comes with a self-basting heavy lid that allows your food to cook evenly and retain moisture. However, it's heavier than most Dutch ovens on the market. The Crock-Pot Artisan Dutch oven is a versatile countertop companion that's perfect for slow cooking, simmering, braising, baking, and more. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product today is the Lodge Dutch Oven. This beautifully made cast iron unit has a porcelain enameled exterior and a cream-colored interior for good visibility when browning dishes, just like many higher-end versions. Because it has 2 layers of enamel on the inside and outside, you can use it to marinate, cook, store, and serve food. In addition to the colorful enamel, the modern design gives you wider handles that makes it easier to hold when you have oven mitts on. The best thing about this pot is that it can go in an oven up to 500 degrees and can be used to bake or broil. It also holds 6 quarts, making it one of the largest on the market. It also has a lid that fits tightly and helps keep in moisture while cooking. High marks have been given to this Dutch oven for how well it distributes and retains heat. When you cook chicken tagine in a Lodge pot, the food can stay hot for hours. Whether you're browning chicken thighs or cooking onions with spices, a little bit of liquid is all you need to loosen any stuck bits. This Dutch oven can be used on any cooktop, including gas, electric, or induction, although it's not recommended to be used on outdoor grills or over campfires. While hand washing is recommended, you'll be glad to know that it can be washed in a dishwasher too. Its pros are: it has a smooth enameled surface that won't react to ingredients. It provides superior heat distribution and retention for consistent, even cooking. Its outer layer has a double coating of porcelain enamel that is chip resistant and easy to clean, and it boasts wider handles for easy carrying with pot holders. However, its rounded bottom translates to a smaller cooking surface. The Lodge enameled cast iron Dutch oven is a perfect companion for the everyday cook who's tight on time and budget. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.